of a month and a year I don't recall. It's like my life's on repeat. And the last time we spoke I told you I wouldn't be long. That was last November, now December's almost gone. I'd apologize but I don't realize what I'm doing wrong. I never know